The station currently flying over eastern China, beginning a pass from northwest to southeast that will carry the vehicle over Taiwan, the Philippine Sea, and the east coast of New Guinea a short time from now. As you can see, the HTV is moving ever closer to the nadir or Earth-facing port of the Harmony module of the International Space Station for its final installation. As we mentioned, there will be a series of sensors called ready-to-latch indicators, or RTLs, that will be illuminated at the point at which the two berthing surfaces at the forward end of the HTV and on the nadir or Earth-facing side of the Harmony module come into contact with one another, and that will be the precursor to the actual bolting of the vehicle in place, as the Mechanical Systems Officer, or the OSO, as the call sign here in Mission Control is known for. Operations Support Officer, or the Mechanical Systems Officer, will send commands to begin the bolting of the HTV into place. 16 bolts will be driven, 4 gangs of 4 bolts apiece, and in various stages. First stage capture, then second stage capture, and it is at second stage capture that we can officially declare HTV hard-mated to the International Space Station for a stay of approximately 6 weeks. Again, you're looking at various views. This from a centerline berthing camera system that is measuring the alignment of the forward end of the HTV cargo craft to the common berthing mechanism. Flying over the South Pacific, about to begin a southwest to northeasterly track that will carry the International Space Station over the coast of Chile. It has been some 3 hours since the HTV-6 was captured by the station's robotic arm, operated by Shane Kimbrough and Thomas Pesquet of the Expedition 50 crew. And now we're just minutes away from bolting the HTV in place on the nadir or Earth-facing port of the Harmony module of the International Space Station, where it will reside for about the next 6 weeks. This is Mission Control Houston. The mechanical systems officer here in Mission Control has confirmed a good second stage capture. With the bolting continuing, the HTV is now firmly affixed in place.
For the UPA recycle tank drain.